lot from the storytelling workshop. I know how to make a good story, and maybe after that, instead of being a good speaker, I can also be a very good writer. I can write my own stories. He's fun, he's engaging, he's interactive. He gives us a lot of very valuable and helpful advice. So I really wish you have the chance to meet him. He's really a great guy, very nice. Thank you.
Even though we already have some storytelling sessions before, but Clement is a very experienced guy in this field. Pointers and feedbacks is very useful for us. Your movements, your content, your presentation in general. He's great in this, so thank you.
I just joined Clement's storytelling session, and the session is really fun. I think it can be really helpful in our daily life and our work. I really appreciate the storytelling session and hope more people can join this.
Thanks, Suleiman share up with us about the tips how to do the storytelling. And as you know, that Chinese maybe not very good at presentation or to do the storytelling. So I think that this training is very helpful for our Chengdu people. In future, you can give us more and more this kind of training. Thank you.